Hey, are you a freelancer working on Fiverr in Pakistan? Do you want to know how you can withdraw your money easily? Well, you need a Payoneer account to do so. This is because Fiverr recognizes Payoneer as a bank account. So, if you want to know how you can sign up on Payoneer for free in Pakistan, keep watching this video with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. So, let's move towards the topic. Ways to withdraw money from Fiverr. Fiverr basically provides three ways to withdraw money. Number one, PayPal. This is not available in Pakistan right now. Number two, bank transfer. Number three, Fiverr revenue card. So you have to use second or third option to withdraw money from Fiverr. Both options, bank transfer and Fiverr revenue card, they are linked to Payoneer. So it becomes mandatory for Pakistani sellers to sign up for a Payoneer account to withdraw money from Fiverr. Now, there are two methods to sign up for a Payoneer account in Pakistan. In order to create a Payoneer account, you need to have a local bank account. But when you sign up through another website or marketplace that provides Payoneer payment transfer option, you no longer need to have a local bank account. So, in this video, we will be discussing the first method where we need a local bank account to sign up for a Payoneer account. In the next video, we will be discussing the method where we can sign up on Payoneer without local bank account. So, let's begin with the first method. How to sign up for free Payoneer account in Pakistan. Step 1. Click the Get Started button. Open the Payoneer website and there you will see the Get Started button. An amazing thing about Payoneer is that you get $25 bonus on sign up. When you will sign up on Payoneer through the link that I have provided in the description, you and we both will get reward. What's the reward? Basically, when you sign up through the link that I have provided, you will get $25 bonus and I will get $25 bonus as well. There are some terms and conditions to it. I have highlighted in the region below. You can read that as well. Step 2. Select the option that describes you the best. As you're a freelancer wanting to create an account on Payoneer, so you will select the first option, Freelancer, service provider or SMB. Number 3, click on Get Paid by International Clients or Freelance Marketplace button. Once you click on this button, you will see this screen. Select your monthly volume here. Here I've selected less than $10,000. Now move towards the next step. Click the register button. Once you select your monthly volume, Payoneer will automatically suggest the right account for your needs. Here, Payoneer has selected freelancer, agency or service provider account based on my needs. So if you are satisfied with this option, you can click the register button. Number 6, select your business type. If you're a freelancer working alone or on a small scale, select the individual option. If you're a company or an agency working on freelance marketplaces, click the company option. But please note that you will need a GST or income tax return for this type of account. So here I have selected the individual option. Step 7. Enter your details. Fill in all the following details as per your government issued CNIC card, the first name, the last name, the email address and your date of birth. Please note that you must be 18 years of age to sign up on Fiverr. Once you have entered all the details, click Next button. Step 8. Enter contact details. Now you have moved to the next section where you will enter details like your country, your address, your city, town and your postal code. Step 9. Add your mobile number and verify it. Remember, the number that you are entering here will be used for various purposes on Payoneer. This includes updating your details, verifying your identity, and resetting your forgotten password. So add your number very carefully. Once you enter the mobile number, you will receive a verification code on your phone. Enter the verification code and click Next. Step 10. Add security details. In this section, add your security details like your username, a strong password, and a security question. Here you will also be asked for your government issued ID card or passport or driving license to verify your identity. So once you have entered all the details, click Next. here comes the almost done section. In this section, you will enter your local bank account details, which will include your bank account type, bank country, currency, bank type, branch name, account number, SWIFT or BIC number. So once you have added all the required information, click on the I accept all the terms and conditions and then click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, your application will go to Payoneer and Payoneer will review it. So the next step is wait for the review. So it's time to wait for the Payoneer team to review your profile. It usually takes 3 business days to get an email confirmation of the review from Payoneer. So step 13, submit documents to verify your Payoneer account. In order to successfully complete the review process, you will have to provide some documents to Payoneer. How you can do so? So basically, sign into your Payoneer account using your email and password. Go to settings and then verification center. Here you will see a message to submit the required documents. Take high resolution photos of all the required documents that are required by Payoneer and then upload them. Click the submit button once you have uploaded all the documents. So when you have uploaded all the documents, you will receive an email within a few days from Payoneer that your Payoneer account is successfully approved. Once you get that email, please note that your Payoneer account is successfully created, it is successfully verified, and you are now free to use your Payoneer account. You can now easily withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer. If you want to read in detail about this topic, I have written a step-by-step guide on my blog. If you have missed any step, you can read that article. I hope you liked the video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the ring button. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.